高橋さんがいらっしゃいました。いらっしゃる。
To be, to come, to go. A polite and respectful way of saying to come or to go. It is often used to refer to someone else's actions or moves.
彼も私と同じく疲れているはずだ。はずだ。
It must be, it should be. To express a strong expectation or assumption. It indicates that something must be or should be the case based on logical reasoning or evidence.
彼がそんなことをするはずがない。はずがない。
Cannot be or there's no way. It is used to express a strong disbelief or denial.
新しいパソコンが欲しい。欲しい。
To want something, to be in need of, is an adjective used to express a desire or want for something. It means to want or to be in need of.
8時40分ごろ、学校へ行きます。ごろ。
Around, about. It means around or about and is often used with times of the day or vague time frames.
カレーの匂いがする。がする。
Smell, hear, taste. This expression is used to convey the senses, such as smell, hearing, or taste. It indicates that one can sense or perceive something using a particular sense.
彼は動物園に行きたがる。がる。
To show signs of, to feel, to think. Someone shows signs of the adjective. It's often used to describe the emotional state or tendencies of others.
日本語だけで会話しましょう。だけで。
Just by. To indicate that a particular action or condition is sufficient for a certain.
雨でも家へ帰ります。でも。
Or something. Often used to mean or something, or whatever, in casual conversation. It is used to express uncertainty or to suggest a vague or general option.
お飲み物は無料でございます。でございます。
To be honorific. This is a polite and honorific expression used to indicate existence or to state that something is in a respectful manner. It is often used in formal situations.